Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, L'exquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. So this week in our catch-all lined vertical planner, I am going to be using the Papillon, or Papillon. I don't know how to say it, y'all. It's a French word and I barely got English down right, okay? But I'm using the butterflies, okay? I'm using the butterflies in my spread. And I'm kind of using the pinky, reddish, orange, mauve tones that are in this book. I love doing a monochromatic spread. That's like my thing. For whatever reason, I've mastered that. So what I decided was that I didn't want to use the gray. And I have these pages from the Colorful Leopard sticker book planner, the 18-month planner that came out this spring of 2021. I still have some pages of that book, and I was going to sell it on the Facebook buy sell trade, but now I think I'm going to keep it because it has those peachy pink pages in there, and every once in a while I may need something a little different other than that gray. So I'm just cutting that out, and I actually originally got this idea for Heather Kell. She does this a lot when she's making her spreads for her Patreon. She'll cut out the vertical layout and then she'll paste it onto scrapbook paper. So I figured that this would be great to use instead of having those gray boxes. And honestly, I could have just cut off the peach boxes at the top, but I didn't think of that until after I had already cut the first one, and I was like, oh well, it's on there now. So I'm just pasting those on top. And yes, it's going to make my page a little thick, but that is a-okay with me. I'm not tripping, so neither should you. Okay? Okay. So, just for the naysayers out there. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that down. And it didn't even line up perfectly, but it lined up good enough. So I'm going to start off with this quote. And in all honesty, I pulled this spread for last week, but I forgot it was National Sticker Day. So then I threw that other spread together that, I'm going to be honest, I don't like it. I didn't like this past week's spread. I didn't like it. I'm going to be honest with you. I didn't like it. But I didn't want to be the only one who wasn't doing a National Sticker Day spread. So now I know not to do a National Sticker Day spread if I ain't feeling it. So because I pulled most of these stickers for what I had going on last week, it took me a minute to kind of, one, get my boxes together, and two, get these boxes off of the wax paper. Because like I said, they've been stuck on this wax paper since 2 Wednesdays ago, okay? So I'm trying to be better and use some sticker books that I haven't used in a while. Because I'm trying to shop my stash. I've been really good about not buying the latest and greatest just because it's the latest and greatest. So I'm trying to keep up with that. There are a few sticker books that I do want to get out of the winter release that happened that I didn't pay no attention to. And yeah, it's a couple that I think I'm going to swoop up. But I do love this spread. This is giving me all the feels right now. Especially because with my word of the year being pivot, I know that there are a lot of changes that I'm going to have to make in my life. And I'm just trying to mentally prepare for those things as well as physically. So right now I was looking for another box sticker to use. And I didn't want to use the one with the lines at first because it had the lines and because it had that blue butterfly in it. But I was like, you know what? Oh well. So I'm putting that on the left-hand page because I have a lot of the dark tones on that side of the page and a lot of the light tones were on the right side. So I just switched those two stickers out to give it a little bit more balance. And now with these circle stickers, I'm just trying to find a good spot for them on the spread. It was a wee bit of a struggle. I ended up moving that one that I put down on Saturday more than a few times, but it is what it is. And then this sticker says, enjoy every moment. And I like how it's just the touches of the gold foil. It's not a whole lot, but it's just touches of gold foil. And it just gives it just enough Just enough to make it cute, y'all. And I'm starting to really be in my groove with this. Like, I really thought that this was going to be hard to plan in, and it actually is so easy. It's so easy. I think I'm going to try every year, try a new layout until I find like my one that's like the perfect one. So I put those header stickers down. One says today, one says focus, and one says plans. So I just put those down every other day. And they have other header stickers in the Papillon book, but they didn't match the color scheme, so I didn't use them. I'm just gonna be honest. I wanted to match the color scheme. So I just put that circle sticker off in the corner. I don't even remember what it usually says right there. Let me look so I can tell you the truth. Oh, it says this week's list, but I put that down and covered up where it says keep going and put keep going, because this is where I'm going to go ahead and put some of my goals. I've been going back and forth on putting goals there and just writing gratitude, but I'm trying to find out what's going to work best for me. I put that Papillon, the butterfly word, I put that sticker down underneath Tuesday and Wednesday because it was a blank space and it just needed something. It needed something there. So I put that down. And right now I'm looking for another circle sticker to kind of balance out that one that I put on my sidebar. And I found this one that says love this. And it matches our color scheme. So I'm just cutting off that end so I can kind of mimic the cutoff part of the other one. And y'all, these tweezers, girl, these tweezers are my best friend. I use the tweezers to put up stickers. I'll be using the tweezers and rubbing it on the sticker to make sure it sticks down. So now we have pretty much the meat and potatoes of our spread. And now y'all know I gotta go in with my little bullet points, my flags, my dots, whatever, what have yous. I need them in my life. So I'm going in and putting those down. And I'm sticking to the three main colors of my spread. That dark burnt orangey red. And then that like peachy pink. And then that purpley peachy pink. Y'all know I'm not. What do they call this color? Like a blush, a mauvey blush. Y'all know I'm not good at explaining these things, but yeah. So I'm putting that down. I lifted up that today sticker because I like to put 2 lines in between my bullet points, just because it gives me more adequate space to write. And that's the best thing about this spread is these lines, baby. These lines. I love the lines in this line vertical. The horizontal lines are everything. I probably could do away with the vertical lines too, to be honest with you, but one thing at a time, Sid. One thing at a time. So I'm just going on and putting all of these down. And I'm trying to make sure that I kind of put them in different areas. Because like last week on the left side, all of them were like towards the bottom half. And then the right side, all of them were towards the top half. I like to mix it up. It makes the spread more aesthetically pleasing, in my humble opinion. And now what I'm going to do, after I put down these dots, I'm going to start putting down some decor. Because we got to make it look cute, y'all. We got to make it look cute. We can't not have it look cute. I mean, come on now. Come on, you know. So I'm going back and I'm trying to pull some of the butterflies that are in this color scheme and just kind of fill in some of the empty spaces without doing too much, because I still want to leave a little bit of empty space so that I can add stickers in as I plan for the week. Now that sticker was just a little too orange for me, so we had to put her back. She was doing just a wee bit too much, just a wee bit. And I love butterflies. Butterflies are my favorite insect. They're beautiful. They represent change. They represent, to me, overcoming. Because to be a butterfly, you got to overcome a lot, boo. A lot. So I just love butterflies. And they're so peaceful to me. They give me like a peace, a calm. So I'm just going through and adding all of the butterflies throughout the spread. And I'm trying to make sure I'm using varying sizes and varying butterflies. I think I only used one butterfly twice out of the clear butterfly stickers. And that's that last one that I put down. And that's my spread, you guys. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye now.